Hello, what we are going to be looking at today is embedded if statements. So we're going to take our knowledge, which we looked from this video here, where we've looked at basic if statements, and we're going to take it through to the next level. So we've got a similar setup here. We've got Simon, Harry, Theodore and Bocco, and they've now done a second test. And what we want to do, we want to create an if statement to show that if on one of the tests they have increased their pass mark. So we're going to start off with a normal if statement, as from last time out. So if that's greater than 4, you have passed. Otherwise, you have failed. So, if we bring that back over there, you can see that so far Simon and Bocco have definitely passed, but Harry and Theodore saying that it's failed, even though on these tests here they've all passed. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an embedded if statement. So what we're going to do, if the value is false, so at the moment the value isn't false, but for Harry the value is false, we're going to start off another if statement. So then we're going to be looking at that column there. So if C2 is greater than 4, we're going to say you have passed, otherwise you have failed. And you notice here straight away it's adding in another set of brackets here, and if we just put those into quotation marks, and we can see that we've got a set of green brackets and we've got a set of black brackets. And now if we drag this down, what's happening is this. If B2 is greater than 4, it's saying you've passed, which it is. So it doesn't need to worry about this section here. If we look at Bocco, it's saying B5. If B5 is greater than 4, it says you've passed. It's not worrying about this section here. With Harry, it's saying if B3 is greater than 4, you've passed. Well, that's false. They've not passed. So if we say, look at this section here, which is in the false section, if C3 is greater than 4, you have passed, which they have passed. Otherwise, you have failed. Again, if we change that to 1, you can see that it's evaluating both these to false. Embedded if statements can get very, very, very confusing, but thankfully, within Excel, if we just add another one, you can see that it color codes the brackets for you. So the first set of brackets is black, second set is green, next set is purple. So that helps you to highlight what brackets are being used. And also, if we delete this set of brackets here, at the moment we're missing a bracket for the first set. It will automatically say you're missing something in the formula. Do you want to accept this correct one here? Again, it's not good practice to do that because it can come up with errors, but it's helpful to know that Excel's got your back with your brackets. Hope this has been helpful.